Friends, in this lecture we'll learn about three more features of paste special. One is column width. You see now there are 6 different columns, and each columns is having a different attribute of a data set, and all columns are having different widths. In some cases there is a requirement that I want to have the all width of all columns as same. Fastest and shortest method is paste special. So here the question says make column width of all cells equal to width of cell C4. So let us select cell C4, have control C for copy, select the target columns like this or in any other manner, right click on them and have paste special, and there is an option called here column width. Click on column width and OK. Now you see all columns are having the same width as that of column A. Next is skip blanks. Now you see in this set we are having data columns with two salesman name and both of salesmen. For some reasons these are two data sets created and we need to merge these two data sets together or these two lists together. Option is select the right hand set, control C, copy it, select the target cells, right click on them, paste special, and there is skip blanks. What skip blanks do it skip out the blank. These are the first two are the blanks, and it copies on the other cells where the data is there, and OK. And now you see the data is merged with the first list, but there is a catch in this. You have to take care of that. I'll have control Z here. It will copy down the data in the cells which are blank. You see, now if any of these cells is having a previous data, for let us say I'll write down here Excel, and now let us perform the test. Then in this test S1 will be overwritten over Excel. I'll copy it, control C, select the target cells, right click, paste special, skip blanks, and see OK. S7 will be written over here Excel, and OK. All the data is copied, but the previous data Excel is now not there in the list. So you have to take care of that while merging the two lists. And the third option is format. We can copy a set of formattings from one location to other location in one single list or in different list. For this you say in this here all the data are having different formattings. Some are colored, some are having different font size or font types. So let us copy this, select our target cells, right click, paste special, and formats. Now we are only copying the format, no colors and nothing, and OK. Now you see the format is copied. If in the third cell here I write down Excel, it is very big in size as compared to others, whereas here if I write down Excel, it is smaller in size as that of the first cell here. Thank you.